Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. If you have something heavy to sew, some canvas or some heavy material like this is a lawn chair that I'm repairing. Both sides, this little strap got pulled off. Someone put their weight on these arms and pushed themselves up and broke both of those off, so I'm fixing those. But it can be pretty hard to push these needles through material that heavy, so get yourself a little rubber finger like this. They call that a secretary's finger. That will help you grip that needle, and you can pull it right through. It also helps to put pressure on the needle as you push it down into the material. And there it goes. So let's see if we hit the target. Yep, right where I want it on the bottom. Just grab it, pull it right out of there. Really helps you grip that needle. I'm going to go back up through here one more time. And I'll go back down and tie that off. But that will make sewing these heavy materials so much easier. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll have some affiliate links down in the description and descriptions of this little finger, needle, some thread, things you may need on one of your projects. Those will take you directly to the products, and appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you in the next video.